Did you know that cleaning chemicals and heat packs are shortening the life of your physio beds with every single use? Thankfully, there's Physio Covers. Engineered from the highest quality medical grade vinyl, they protect your investment from that time-consuming and expensive upholstery repair. They're applied in minutes and require no tools. Let me show you how it's done. First, take your cover, place it over your pad, and have your buckles hanging off the sides. Beneath the bed, feed the buckles through between the pad and the frame. For the end pad, put it on a slight incline so you can feed the buckles through with ease. Once your buckles are in place, clip them together and then pull on the strap, but not too tight just yet. Next, check that your cover is properly centered on the pad. Now it's time to pull those straps tight. And that's it. Your cover is in place with a nice snug fit, and the pad beneath is protected. As you can see, physio covers are essential for every physio clinic, whether covering existing damage, for budget-friendly preventative maintenance, or if you're looking for a quick makeover, we have lots of colors to choose from. Whatever the case, with Physio Covers, we have you covered. For more information or to order yours, please visit the Physio Covers website.